what's under the surface. Don't know what it is within me. But under the pressure, walking in your shoes. Every step that I take is another mistake too. I've become so numb, I can feel you where I've become so tired, so much more aware. I'm becoming this. All I want to do is be more like me and less like you. Can you say that you're smothering me, holding too tightly, afraid to lose control? Is everything